Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to unbox some socks.
Welcome lovelies. Yes, it's unboxing sock day and my favorite socks, some of my favorite, that's all I have actually, socks I have are
Socksmith?
Socksmith, or I have a few pairs of the new
Lim Lim.
Lim Lim.
They're
Yes,
beautiful
they're
too.
beautiful
Yeah.
too. But
Rock
these
line.
I've gifted them tons of times and always so well received because the fibers are beautiful, right?
The bamboo.
The bamboo viscose. And the design, the everything.
Well, and you can always find one for a friend and you'll personalize it,
Yeah,
right? Like
exactly.
You know, you'll see all the different prints and then you'll know. I have a few different tennis groups, and one of my Wednesday morning tennis ladies, for Christmas a few years ago, I gifted them each individually a pair of socks.
And pertaining to them.
Yeah, to their personality. So it was quite fun and they loved it. So it was great.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. Well, I want to say how beautiful you look.
Thank you. I feel very, very special.
It's just a pop of color.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, radiant.
And this color is so like, wow.
The collar, yeah.
It's dramatic.
Dramatic and
It's pure
beautiful.
drama.
And these pearl buttons, beautiful quality.
Mother of pearl, absolutely gorgeous. The quality of the linen.
This is Luca from Poland, ladies. Beautiful silhouette here too. It's a
Yeah.
bit boxy, which I like on you with your
it's
pants.
short, yeah.
She's got on the Love Linen, ladies, with the met hem. Lousje has this all in the gray, if you can remember. We had it a few weeks ago.
Yeah, wear it all the time, get compliments all the time. I'm sure you do too, because a lot of you bought the duster, the little top, the tank top, and the pants.
Yeah.
What an outfit,
Yeah,
really.
gorgeous.
Okay,
And
you.
I know.
Sorry.
Well, she said earlier when I came out in this dress, she said, you have to own this dress.
Honest to goodness, Tessa, it looks
Feels
so
like a
stunning
million
on
bucks. Oh, thank you.
you. Yeah.
Feels like $1 million.
Yeah, it's
Gorgeous.
beautiful. It's
This
got-
is Alambika.
Yeah, and the patterns that they put together is so interesting.
So pretty.
You are wearing a size 0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fits nice, ladies, nice and roomy, which is
Yeah.
great, and it's like a silky satin.
For hot
oh,
weather.
yeah,
And Tessa, you
beautiful.
can wear your black boxy tops
I should
over
wear
that.
this to your wedding.
You should.
I should.
And you can wear like a boxy top when it gets
Yeah,
cooler.
it gets cooler. Black,
You know?
my black boxy top.
For sure.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And also Anne Marie, ladies, Anne Marie matching, and also my ring. Look at these new bracelets.
Yeah.
Aren't they fabulous?
Fabulous.
So intricate, ladies. All the
Fabulous.
different details and
Is that
components.
black?
Yeah, black
Well,
and white
I
with a
thought-
little gold.
And a little cold, yeah.
Mhm.
I went to my trusted Clio,
Nice.
and then Fafoum, Siska.
Ziska, those are one of my favorites.
Yeah.
The little round foil.
They're so cute, eh?
Yeah.
And in the white, when you're a little tent, it's a little pop.
It's silver.
It's silver.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
But
foil.
it's shimmery. The foil
Yeah.
shimmers so much that
Oh,
it.
that's
And I
lovely.
like your nail color.
Yeah, I've had it for quite a while
Oh,
now. It's
I
called
haven't noticed.
geranium.
Geranium.
It's the Tessa show, so no wonder you didn't notice. Geranium.
How did
I love
know
it.
She was gonna say
And I did it on my
your toes as well, your tootsies. Aw.
Okay.
Okay, ready. Okay, so we're gonna start with the petty socks. These are the the summer
yes.
socks, ladies.
Oh yeah.
So look at Frida Kahlo.
Oh yeah. You have to
Beautiful.
give one to your friend Jess.
Jess loves Frida Kahlo.
Yeah.
Hi, Jess. Jess watches our videos every day.
Does she?
And then she criticized me of what I should do differently.
I love it. Oh, that's a good friend.
I'm just joking.
That is
no,
a good
it's true
friend.
though. I love Jess is my bestie. So
Yeah.
all right. And then
A babushka.
is it babushka?
No, but I call it babushka.
Do
It's
you?
got a different name. The doll with all the little dolls inside.
Yeah, the Russian doll.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, look at how cute, ladies. Love
is
the colors.
adorable.
First of all, the giraffe, but mustard. Like we love our
Yeah,
mustard,
Yeah.
as you know. And the bee's knees.
The bee's knees.
The bees. What does it say? To be or not to be?
Oh my
Oh, they have
goodness.
such cute names.
Rita.
Yeah. So what is this?
You need
That's
glasses,
a stretch. That's a stretch. We were in Toronto the other day doing a pickup at the manufacturers, and we stopped on Queen Street. But we passed like, I don't know, an eyeglass
So
place,
many.
like so many. I don't know, maybe it was Hakeem Optical or something. And it said free eye exam out right now. And so my mom said we got it, but I said no, we're going here. We're going to our lovely lady, and I'm gonna vlog it. So I promise you, and I have to do it before September because I feel like Ryan works in the lens business, and he always says that it is the busiest time, August, September.
Really?
Going back to school.
Oh, going back to school.
So I gotta get in before it gets busy. But we gotta vlog it because I feel like you ladies, we've been teasing you so long to do that.
You've been squinting for a year now. It's
I
not
know.
good.
So Rachel, we're gonna come see you soon. I promise. Okay, so what is this? Full of themselves. That's funny.
That? Show
Full
me.
of themselves.
Oh, that's
That
so
is a
cute.
funny one. Okay, just Frida Summer. Okay, so ped socks, here we go. I love my ped socks. I have a few. I have the lion one and I have the elephant.
I do too.
Do you?
Yeah.
Both?
Yeah.
But maybe I like the mustard. That'd be
I
nice
love
for the
the
fall.
mustard. I always wear them into my yoga class in the winter,
Oh,
especially
yeah.
when you have cold feet. And I always get asked,
Compliments?
"Oh, you got such cute socks." But that's
So
not. I
cute.
wear them. I wear them because I like them.
No, they're very
Yeah.
comfortable and they wash so well. They
Yeah.
hold up well. So of course, lovelies, our favorite, and we've been seeing that your favorite because these sell out honestly in
You know
in
what
a hot
I like?
minute.
You know what I like too about
so
these?
good.
They don't have a border.
That's key.
That's key. They just have like a little roll,
Yeah.
and I like that.
But beautiful. And the quality is really
Oh,
amazing.
I
And
have mine for years.
$20 a pair, not bad
That's
at
a
all.
really good price.
Great gift.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have mine for years too. We also have these in plain black, ladies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
We have
new.
a new one too. I'm going to show you that we brought in is the no-show liner.
Yeah.
So there you go, in nude and in black. So these are great too, great for right now.
Well, we had no shows for a while, and then we got out of it, and we had a lot of requests for them for it to bring back in.
Yeah, so these are the bamboo liner, so great quality again. Okay, ladies, so we got graphic bamboos here, and we have restocked the lavender. Beautiful, a gorgeous pair. We have new owls. I'm trying to read what it says. Parliament of Owls. What a beautiful color though with the rose color.
Love, love, love.
Our beloved favorites, the tulips. So we have the tulips in the black as well, but then we have the ivory restocked. Gorgeous for the summer. Look at that. That would be me and Lousje's, the sockies. Oh, these are new. Look at how cute. Shirley, these are calling your name.
Oh, those are going to Shirley. Yeah.
These are chickadees.
They're French Shirley.
But look at the beautiful colors. It's got a teal heel and toe, and then all these pretty pinky purple colors in there.
Oh my goodness.
This is also a new one, Sunrise Fair.
Oh.
It's a Ferris wheel. Is that a Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Amusement park.
Oh my goodness. And then this is gorgeous. I loved the color of it. That's the dandelions, but I feel like the color of the sock really spoke to me. It's just soft,
subtle.
beautiful, almost like a heathered coral, would you say?
Wow.
Yeah. And then for the cat lovers, I know we sell the cats like crazy. The window cats. So look at beautiful again, the purple background with the yellow in there.
Oh, cute.
And there's little cats in the windows.
Oh, cute.
So
I
cute.
love a house with a cat in the window.
Yeah.
Not in my house though.
Not in my house. Charlie would not like that. We're not cat lovers in that sense, more dogs.
Yeah.
Right? So these are graphic cotton socks. So these couldn't
it's a different
resist.
fiber?
The ones here bamboo, but these are cotton.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And look at, couldn't resist the zebra. They're right up our alley in the black and white.
Yeah.
Because we love our black and white.
Yeah.
Look at these, I thought were stunning. Great
Oh,
color.
wow.
Beautiful
Tessa,
color.
that is amazing.
Fiesta Floral, it's called.
Whoa.
So they're a little bit heavier, but they're really pretty. And then we have here these guys, Santa Fe. Look at how fun is that?
Oh my God.
The metallic gold
Oh,
in
I
it.
love it.
And the emeralds in the color, I just thought beautiful.
Yes.
And cat heads, look at that.
More cats?
Isn't that cool?
Cute.
What does that say, Mom? You need glasses too. Rachel, we're coming together.
Something fun.
She just needs to wear her glasses.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, maybe.
But you know what I like? Their slogan is no boring socks.
Yeah, so
And they're
fun.
definitely
Yeah.
right.
All right, that was our unboxing of our socks. And I feel like we could do a Dr. Seuss little
Rhyming.
rhyming with unboxing of the socksings or something. Socks on box. I still have them for my children for when they have their own children, but those were my favorite books to read to them.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Thank you for joining us for our box unboxing, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit a thumbs up. And tomorrow, join Lousje on the couch.
Oh, yes. Enjoy your Saturday, lovelies. And I'll
Thank
see you
you.
tomorrow on the couch. Keep on smiling.